Are we going to see another or the next leg down in the stock market? Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description and get learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. Alright traders, so I want to do a quick video here to say, are we getting ready for the next leg down in the stock market? Is the stock market about to drop once again? And the reason I'm doing this video is because there's obviously a lot of talk in the markets, a lot of things in the markets. Talking heads, there's a lot of people out there with a lot of opinions. It's like, yes, the market's rebounded, and yes, we're strong, and no, we're not, and yibbity-da, da-da-da, bing, 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 bong, bong, bong. Right, so there's a lot of things happening at the markets right now. And so, are we getting ready for the next leg down? And as we can see here on the Dow Jones, is if you look at this, right, the market actually had a drop down, rallied right back up, came right back down, made it low, rallied right back up, and made this high. If you go check out the 1987 stock market crash, this pattern is exactly in line with the Dow Jones, with the 1987 stock market crash. This is exactly what's happening right now. So are we getting ready for a leg down? Well, it's actually causing a lot of weakness here, aren't we? We're definitely showing a lot of weakness here in the markets where we are right now. So you can see this on the Dow Jones where we are right now. Rallied up, pulled back, and now we're actually having a bit of a pullback right now where we are right now. And obviously we're getting a bit of a volume here as well too, right? Volume starting to pick up as well too. So I would say that we're getting ready for that next leg down, and I believe we're likely to start pull back through here. Same for the S&P 500. Again, we had a rally throughout the morning, came back down, closed low, and we're getting a bit of an increase in volume as well too. So I believe we're likely to start getting that next leg down. What I'd like to see is a definite signal either way. If we get a nice drop down and then a big spike in volume, that's gonna confirm to me that we're getting ready for the lows here. And you better believe I'll be playing that side of it, you know, as in trading it. So waiting, trade. So that's what I see there on the S&P as well too, and the Nasdaq. Look at the Nasdaq as well too. Look at all these little hanging mans, so to speak, right? Run up, 1, 2, 3 little hanging mans there, so to speak. And now it looks like we're just hanging man, shooting stars, whatever you're going to call them. Very weak right now. So we actually should start to see a rally back. We should see a drop back down in the markets. But the overall theme that I'm looking at right now is obviously the Dow Jones Industrial Average. That's the biggest one here. Rallied 50 to 60% retracement and a drop back down. Now remember, if you go back to my long-term chart on the markets, I still believe we have a long way to go to retrace the bubble just from when Donald Trump was elected. Donald Trump was elected around about here, and now we've had this bubble. So I believe we're likely to retrace this entire thing very soon in the markets. Now let's go back over to the transportation average is one that I'm looking at as well too. Look at this one right here. Right, we'll go to this one right here. So you can see what's happening with the transportation average. What is happening with this one? We're getting a bit more of a what? More like a bear flag, right? It dropped back down, and now we're getting a rally up here. So I'm expecting another significant drop down in the transportation average. So are we getting ready for the next leg down coming? I don't know, but let's see what happens.